To create a product category page in WooCommerce, follow these steps. Log into WordPress dashboard. Access your WordPress dashboard by visiting yourwebsite.com/wp-admin and logging in with your credentials. Navigate to WooCommerce Products. In the left-hand menu, go to WooCommerce Products. Create a new category. Click on Categories from the left-hand menu. Add a new category by filling in the required fields. Name. Enter the category name. Slug. Create a user-friendly URL. Description. Add a brief description if needed. Parent category. Optionally, select a parent category for nested categorization. Click Add New Category. Assign products to category. Once the category is created, go to Products, All Products. Edit or create new products and assign them to the desired category by selecting the category from the Product Categories box on the right side. Customize the category page. Navigate to Appearance, Customize to modify the design and layout of the product category page. You can adjust settings such as product layout, number of products displayed per page, sorting options. Publish the page. Once the category and products are assigned, view the product category by visiting yourwebsite.com/product category/category name. Ensure that you save and publish any customizations.